So we're out here at one of our well sites where we have a crew that's doing some maintenance on our well. This particular well is just over 900 feet deep. The Empire State Building is over 1,200 feet tall. So that kind of gives you a visual on how deep these wells are. They have a tool, which is a big piece of pipe with these metal bristles, and as they move down the well slowly, they do a back and forth motion, which knocks the debris that builds up over time. This is important to clean up the perforations, or picture it as like a screen that allows the water to move in. By doing this, it increases our water production, water quality, and overall efficiency.